me, do you have a gray Poupon?
But of course I do. I'm gonna put it on my wieners. Man, just follow me. You about to figure out what I'm about. Some dippity doo dogs. Just follow the video. I got you.
Alright, you guys, so here's the ingredients for the dippy dog, the doo dog, the hot dog, the dog, carnival dog. I don't care what you call it, but it's about to be the bomb dog. Alright, so you need some all beef hots. You need some bacon, thick cut. Preferably, this is Applewood thick cut, even though I was taking it out the pack and it said thick cut and it looks a little thin, but we're going to ignore that. You need some toothpicks. The toothpicks I got are the kind with the little tip. See, that's like the rounded tip and then it has the pointy tip. I only did that because I hate sticking myself, so I got that. I have some 4-state cheddar cheese. I have some pico de gallo, and I have some gray Poupon. Right here, some gray Poupon with a dash of pepper, a dash of paprika, a dash of garlic powder, and some relish, 2 spoons of relish. I mixed it, and this is what we're going to dress our dogs with. All right, and then I have some oil that I have warming up so that we can go ahead and deep fry the dogs. All right, so basically you just take the dog, and you start at one end, and then you just wrap. And no, I'm not talking about rapping like Cardi B, even though I know some of y'all think y'all can rap like her, but I'm talking about wrapping the hot dog, okay, with the bacon. And then you're just basically gonna stick the toothpick on each end to hold it there. And you're going to put it to the side. And then you're just going to keep going, all right, until you fill all of them. And then I'm going to dump them in the deep fry, and I'm going to show you how they turn out. All right, y'all, we dropping the dogs in there. I'm going to probably do 3 at a time. Yeah, let's see. Maybe 2. And then when you drop them, you want to just step back a little bit because bacon does pop and you don't want to get popped. All right. And then once this oil settles down, you'll be able to start seeing what your hot dog and your bacon looks like. And you basically want to take it out when they're nice and crispy. When the bacon is cooked. Alright, so see how it's slowly simmering down. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands and then get ready to check them. It's nothing better than a deep fried hot dog. Especially when you have some bacon on it, okay? All right, I got my tongs here. Don't you like doing this with the tongs? I love doing this with the tongs. I be swearing I cook better when I do this with the tongs. All right. So they're coming along, and you just want to move them a little bit because they will stick together, and that's only because, you know, bacon, when it cooks next to each other, it sticks. And then sometimes the little sticks could be digging into the other hot dog. So you kind of want to jiggle them and wiggle them around and get them separated. Okay, so this is what the dogs look like. Ooh, nice and crispy. I don't know if you can hear it. Crispy. All right, so I have some top-loaded Hawaiian buns. I toasted the bottoms and warmed them up some. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1 dog, some gray Poupon, some cheese. Get that cheese in. You may make a little mess, but it's okay, right? We clean up after we eat, right? All right. And then we're going to do some pico. Some pico de gallo. Pico de gallo. And I'm just dropping stuff everywhere, but y'all get the gist of it. And y'all load it. Load it up. All right, so I'm going to do all of them. And let me just give you a good look at what they look like. Matter of fact, let me taste this for y'all, because I know y'all. Woo. Yes, it looks so good. Let me see. Sorry. I'm stuffing my face so I can't turn the camera this way. But with that gray poupon, that cheese, that crispy bacon, that beef dog, whew, and that pico. Yo. Alright. Alright, y'all. I want you guys to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I'm full of ideas. I'm full of recipes. And I'm also sharing this page with my family. So we're going to be doing a Father's Day mukbang. So look out for that. And I just love you guys for free. Bye.
Excuse me, miss. Do you have any great poupon?